In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily see your tasks in ClickUp. A core principle of personal productivity is to eliminate distractions and focus only on the work that is relevant to you. This focuses your energy, ensures you're working effectively, and helps you avoid the potential chaos that can arise from too many tasks demanding your attention. In a team setting where thousands of tasks can exist, knowing how to quickly see only your tasks is essential to avoid overwhelm and stay productive. Fortunately, ClickUp makes this process quite simple with its intuitive design. Let me guide you through the process. Starting from the ClickUp homepage, you'll notice several sections that organize your workspace. Within these sections, there's one specifically designed to help you concentrate on your personal workload, aptly named My Tasks. Begin by finding this section on your homepage and clicking on it. As soon as you do this, you'll be conveniently directed to a list that includes all the tasks assigned specifically to you. This setup is great because it streamlines your focus, helping you easily cut through the potential chaos of shared workspaces. But what if you want to refine this view even further? ClickUp has you covered with additional tools to tailor your task list to suit your preferred working style. Within the My Tasks section, you'll spot an option labeled Assign to Me. Clicking here does something simple yet powerful. It customizes your view to display all the tasks to which you've been assigned, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. And just like that, you've achieved a streamlined task list tailored exclusively for you. One of the beautiful things about ClickUp is its flexibility. Beyond simply viewing your active tasks, there's room to maneuver and personalize further. Let's take a look at how we can enhance this view with the use of different filters. Take a moment to explore the top portion of your My Tasks section, where you'll discover different viewing options. One feature allows you to toggle the visibility of closed tasks, perfect for when you want to clean up the task view and focus solely on what's left to accomplish. Moreover, you aren't limited to this basic setup. ClickUp allows you to customize your view by adding additional fields to your task list display. Depending on your preferences, you can include elements such as task due dates, priority levels, or project tags. This feature enables you to create a visual layout that aligns perfectly with your workflow preferences, supporting your productivity journey with clarity and purpose. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to refine your task view in ClickUp to ensure you're always on top of your priorities. With these tools, you're well on your way to greater focus and efficiency in your daily work routine. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.